Hello. Today we're going to be talking about wind shadows and how wind shadows come off the sails of your boat on upwinds and downwinds. From our screen you can see both boats' wind shadows. It comes direct on an upwind close-hauled course. It comes directly below the sail, shown by this gray area, and far back from the boat behind it in this behind the stern of the boat, like so. And because it's placed like this, you can actually cause wind shadows on the other sides of a boat. So, for example, if boat 2 is windward of boat 1 and above them, like so, they can create a wind shadow below them and slow down boat 1, like so. Now, however, if 2 is not actually above boat 1 and in front and actually behind, they could actually get pinched off and actually start slowing down because of the wind shadow of boat 1. And if boat 2 is underneath boat 1 and is completely underneath its wind shadow, boat 2 will also be slowed down. So you obviously can't see these shapes of these wind shadows on the water. However, you can predict where they are, and you can especially feel them while you're sailing and see the effects of how they slow you down. Now, these shapes of them are not exact, but it is a general estimate of where they are, and they actually have a big effect when you're sailing upwind on close hauled. And yeah. Now, if we talk about how the wind shadows look heading downwind, does not come off your stern. It just comes directly below the sail and a few boat lengths below the boat, like pictured in these gray bubbles. So when you're going downwind, right, you can catch up on the fleet because your wind shadow is being casted in front of you. So you can, for example, boat 1 can cast a wind shadow in front of 2 and actually slow down boat 2 and catch up, like so, pictured in here, for example. That is all I wanted to discuss with wind shadows, but now we will start a simulation race through sail talks where you can see how it could affect boats and cause certain catch-ups, for example. So let's get into some simulations races, for example.